Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to be making Jello. I'm Caitlin and this is my sidekick Madison. And for what you need is a glass bowl, a whisk, 2 measuring cups, cold water, boiling water, and some Jello. Okay, can I pour it off? Wow! Oopsie. So you're gonna need 1 cup of boiling water. For this step, you will need for your parents' help to pour in the boiling water. Next, you have to stir it very gently.
Second one.
So next, you have to pour 1 cup of cold water. Oops, I spilled. So I set it the timer for 4 hours, and then after that, it's going to be ready to eat. Yum, 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 yum. Our Jello is ready to eat, and I'm going to show you how wiggly it is. Dig in. Wow. Delicious. Don't forget to subscribe our video and make sure you push the like button. Bye.